Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to log into Telegram on mobile or web. First thing first, launch the Telegram app on your phone and tap Start Messaging. Type in the phone number linked to your Telegram account and you'll receive a 5-digit code by SMS. If you're already logged in another device, the code will be sent there instead. Type the code into Telegram and you'll be logged in. To do it from the web, go to web.telegram.org in your browser and then choose a login method. First one is QR code. On your phone, open Telegram, Settings, Devices, then Link Desktop Device. Scan the QR code on your computer screen and you'll be logged in instantly. Secondly, you can do it with phone number. Click Login by phone number, enter your phone number and then the code will be sent to you via SMS or Telegram app. And that's it. You're now logged in into Telegram, whether on mobile or web. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.